So what is it like to go to the factory to pick up your first aircraft? We're going to go get a Caravan. Here's our outbound flight to Dallas and connecting into Tulsa. Well, here we are, delivery day. We're on a car on the way to Independence, Kansas. And even the driver said, where is Independence? Why are you going to Independence? And I said, I'm not really sure, but I think they make airplanes there. Anyway, this is the delivery factory for the Cessna Carvan, the 208 and the 208D and all those different models. So this is a process that began, 2 years ago when submitted an order, and then you figure out what it all is you want, and there's different payment levels throughout that process. And then there's can't make any changes, and there's been a lot of delays for this purchase. I think COVID had a great deal to do with it in terms of the people and all kinds of other issues. But here we are on our way over, and it's pretty exciting. Well, here we are over at Textron Aviation in Independence, Kansas. We made it in. Let's begin our delivery experience.
I think we need to take a picture of you next to your
Well, here we are, we're halfway back. Stopped at Meridian, Mississippi. It's warm here, it's beautiful. This is a great base operations FBO. They're so welcoming here, happy to have people. And maiden flight has been great. Hey, if you guys are liking this kind of content, you want to see more of it, just let me know in the comments, and I'll keep you along the ways as we continue our travels with this plane.